Hey besties, and welcome back. It's your girl Marquita with Marquita LV Luxury. On today, we are going to go over the chocolate collection that is launching at the very end of this month. But before we get started, make sure you view my past videos, like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend how much fun we have over here. Don't forget to visit your girl on Instagram at Marquita LV Luxury. Now that we have that out the way, you guys know exactly what to do. Go grab some wine or some tea and a light snack. Hurry back so we can get started.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you're doing what you want.
Okay, so besties, the first item I want to talk about before we just go right on into the chocolate collection is the LV monogram fan. This is absolutely adorable, guys. I am a fan of the creativity. I love the monogram airplane, the monogram puppy, the monogram lobster. I think all of those are just cute and creative. Quite funny to me, especially the lobster, but this is different. I love this. I love that it's with treated vachetta, smart move, and it's shaped like a fan. Like, I will bring this in church, and this is where you sneak snacks in, okay? This is where you sneak snacks in, but you're not supposed to be eating and sneaking snacks in church, okay? But look at how cute this is, and the back is complete monogram. It also comes with a detachable and adjustable vachetta strap. The inside, I love that like the little card holder slide that it has for your cards, and it's trimmed in the treated vachetta as well. I'm pretty sure the inside is microfiber material. If they are smart, I most definitely would have it lined with microfiber material. Gold hardware, one zipper, but this is absolutely cute, guys. I love it. So if you are interested in it, the product code number is M14804, and the launch date is February the 28th. So you got about, what, 2.5 more weeks if you are interested in purchasing. So get this and send it over to your CA. This is the LV monogram fan. Okay, so let's move right on to this chocolate collection. And guys, whatever I feel, whatever my opinion is, please do not take it to heart. Meaning, oh, since Marquita said it, I'm not going to purchase. Guys, let's not be like that. You purchase what you like. You spend your money how you want to spend your money, okay? I'm just here to give my opinion. The first item we want to go ahead and talk about is the beautiful Speedy Bandolier 25. You guys know that's like, honestly, like my favorite designed handbag from LV now. It went from Neverfull to Speedy, and it just stayed there. I love Speedy handbags, and it comes in this beautiful chocolate color. Also with gold hardware. I am so glad they chose gold hardware. Material, front leather. You guys know how we love front leather. The price, $2,710. So no, there have not been a change in price, guys. I believe my beautiful Cognac Speedy was the same exact price, and that was some years ago. I think in 2022, if I'm not mistaken. Like I said, the same gold hardware. It has the leather strap, adjustable strap. And the launch date is February the 28th. The product code number is M14043. And the inside is lined with the same chocolate material, okay? And it does have one zipper compartment. The gold just pops on this color. And microfiber material, you guys know we love that. But this is where I am going to give my opinion. And I love how it looks on the model here too. This is just like the perfect size. The Speedy 25 is just honestly the perfect size handbag. Look how it looks up against her. Okay, so let me say this, guys. Please do not take this to heart and run and go tell your CAs. Marquita said this. The chocolate color is giving a little bit too dark of chocolate. This is like a dark chocolate. This isn't a chocolate color. Me, I'm chocolate. Okay, but This is a chocolate color also that I'm speaking of, guys. You see the monogram? Like, it's not dark chocolate. Let me see. Can you see it? Do you guys know what I'm saying? This is just too dark of chocolate. And I'm being honest. It needs to be my color. This chocolate. Not the dark chocolate. I love dark chocolate too. But not on the handbag. Because it's giving close to black. Okay? And I have a black front leather handbag here. Like, it's just giving too close of black. It's not giving chocolate. It's giving dark chocolate. So it should have been monogram on front dark chocolate collection. That's just my opinion. I know you guys are going to say something about it, but that's too dark, guys. It's too dark to where it's almost giving a dark shade of purple to me. But it's not giving the chocolate that we need, okay? Like, this is a beautiful, unique. This is cognac color, beautiful and unique. I would have loved to see a chocolate Speedy, the color chocolate Speedy next to this, okay? But it's just not giving that chocolate color that I thought it was going to give. Do you guys get what I'm saying? Leave it in the comments if you understand what I'm saying. But again, if you want it, go and purchase. Don't go by what I say. Then we also have the beautiful Loop Hobo handbag, guys. The GM. The price is $3,100. The product code number is M14042. The gold hardware is most definitely doing its job with this color. I love it. It stands out so much. Probably because it's close to being black. I don't know. But if you are into the Loop Hobo handbag, you guys know I have the reverse monogram, the Marquita reverse monogram Loop Hobo GM. This is the exact same thing, just on front leather and in this chocolate color. It comes with a gold chain strap, the inside lining, the exact same microfiber material, and it's also giving that chocolate color. And it also comes with the small pochette. I want to tell you, for 2025, guys, every handbag is going to come with a pochette. From what I am seeing, what I see all the way until like July, we are going to get a lot of handbags with pochettes, which isn't a bad thing. I'm just saying, okay? So you have the Loop Hobo. I gave you the price. I also gave you the product code number. It launches February the 28th as well. And if you guys are interested in any of these handbags, please let me know in the comments. And which design are you going for? The Speedy? What are you going for? Okay, so we also have the Felici pochette. If you are into smaller handbags, you want like a cute crossbody, this is $1,620, under $2,000. It comes with a chain strap, and of course is not adjustable. So guys, make sure, my tall divas, if you are into smaller handbags and you want a smaller crossbody, this comes with a chain strap that's not adjustable. So just make sure it is long enough for you. Of course, gold hardware. The inside, the same microfiber material in that beautiful chocolate color. And it also, if you have ever purchased a Felici pochette, I have in the past, you guys know that it comes with a separate zipper compartment pochette and also a card holder. All of that comes together with the Felici pochette, okay? So you can also use these items with other handbags in your collection. If you are a matchy match person, this chocolate, I don't know. You might can add it with probably a cognac color. I don't know what you can match this color with, okay? But that is the Felici pochette, product code number M14193. It launches February the 28th. Moving forward, we have the LV on the go tote in the MM size. I keep telling you guys, I am so happy that I have a MM and also a GM when it comes to the upfront leather in black. And I also have the PM as well. It's just something about having a GM in the on the go tote. It's just sexy. I don't know what it is. But this is in the MM size. The price is $3,450. Of course, it's upfront leather, guys, if you're talking about the price. Product code number M12967. Just a little bit of gold hardware. You guys know the on-the-go tote doesn't come with too much to where we can say we have a lot of gold hardware. So adding a bag charm, because this is a lot of dark chocolate, okay? It's different from black, okay? You guys know we love a black handbag. This is different. This is going to need some gold hardware. Bag charms is going to need something, guys, or it's going to give boring. I'm just telling you. I didn't want to say it. Black is just sexy. It's just sexy. It's not boring. It's sexy. This on-the-go tote, is giving boring or already done. And when I say already done, it's because it's too close to the color black. All of this is boring. Okay? I'm telling the truth. I'm sitting up here doing this video. I need to be honest. All of these designs, everything has been boring. The only thing that has shook LV up, honestly, is the multi-color collection so far. That's the only thing. And that had to come with some drama. Okay, so I gave you the product code number and the price. The inside microfiber material, of course, the same chocolate color, and in the description it states chocolate brown, but they should have, you know, stated dark chocolate brown, because that's exactly what it is. Okay, now the cutest item from this collection, and I'm going to be honest with you, I saw two items from this collection, and I am going to speak on this one first. This is the Capucine Souple. I hope I'm saying it correctly. Capucine Souple. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Now I can carry this, okay? This is different. I love and you know it's that gold hardware. You know it's the gold hardware. This is most definitely screaming, get out of my way. And I would put this in the boss bagging category. This is a sexy handbag. So I most definitely would say yes. My style. I'm just looking at it saying my style. Okay. $7,750. Product code number M12927. And of course, like I said, it could be the added gold hardware, the padlock on the bag tag, and also the additional, you see the gold, small gold chain strap that is actually holding up the key, and the LV circle flower. All of that to me matters. Everything matters. The inside compartment, like guys, I love this. I love detail. I love gold hardware. I love the inside zipper compartment. It's basically for your cards. It's not very large. And again, this is the MM size. This is sexy. I love it, okay? I love it. I'm just telling you the truth. So that is $7,750. The next item that I'm going to talk about, this is probably something, if you guys are considering ordering anything and you want to stay under $2,500, this mini bum bag. I told you guys the mini bum bag is going to keep coming and coming and coming. All of 2025, mostly in every collection. The mini bum bag is here to stay. Okay, so here it is in the beautiful brown chocolate, as they state. The gold hardware is perfect. If you have the black, I'm not sure. I'm not saying go ahead and do it. I'm not saying you shouldn't do it. The mini bum bag in unprint leather in the dark chocolate brown, $2,160. Product code number M13827. Inside lining, of course, the beautiful dark chocolate microfiber material. The gold hardware pops. It does. The gold hardware pops. And of course, all mini bum bags come with that gold chain strap that hangs in the front. I would say this would probably be the only thing I consider this in the Capucine. For me, the Capucine will be first because I already have a mini bum bag and I love mine in monogram. I do not have one in unprint leather, but this is something that you could consider. And like I said, it's under $2,500 and it's unprint leather. as well, guys. There is one more, the LV Easy Pouch. Guys, this is another crossbody as well for you guys that love smaller handbags. And this is $1,650. Product code number M13614. Again, this is the LV Easy Pouch, okay? It's just a larger pochette. That's what that is. And it also comes with an adjustable, a detachable strap. And I'm trying to see if it's adjustable. I don't have one of these, so if it is adjustable, let me see if it states adjustable. Yes. Okay. I had to make sure. The description states removable and adjustable. So my tall divas, this is something that you guys probably want to look into. The Felici Pochette has a chain strap. This here, the LV Easy Pouch, this has a removable and an adjustable strap. So this might work better for you. Okay, inside lining, I told you guys, microfiber material. You guys let me know how you feel. These are the handbags from the chocolate collection. As stated, I just feel like it still comes too close to being black. It's not that chocolate color that I was actually thinking about. Like I said, it should have been more of a light, you know, a lighter chocolate color. I'm just glad I still have this in my collection, but I would have loved to have added a chocolate on front leather, the chocolate that I like, to my collection. I was honestly waiting for it, and in the lookbook it gives different. It does. It gives a little bit different, and I guessing because when I received early, they're blurry, so it was giving a little different. And so now that the real color is exposed, it's most definitely a no for me. But if this is something you guys are interested in, if you had this on your radar, if you are going to purchase, let me know in the comments. Which one are you going after? Again, please do not listen to me and my opinion. I know how I want my collection to look, and you know how you want your collection to look as well. So guys, let's talk in the comments as we always do. If it's a no for you, I also want to know why it's a no for you. Please let me know. I want to know if we have the same sentiments when it comes to this collection. But as always, stay safe, stay blessed, and get ready for March. Get ready for March and April. Save up for that Damier Azur collection. Mwah. Stay blessed, guys. I love you. Bye-bye.